Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making creamy jerk pork chops. Let's go. To start off, we're going to add our olive oil and let it heat up. While it's heating up, we're going to season our pork chops. I use roasted garlic, paprika, Montreal steak seasoning. I love this seasoning so much. And definitely some kosher salt. After you rub the seasonings in on both sides, you're going to toss it in some flour. And when the oil is nice and ready, we're going to brown both sides. While you're pan frying them, you'll definitely want to make sure that both sides are nice and golden brown. Now we're going to dice up a few sun-dried tomatoes, slice up some red onions. Now we're going to saute them both and then add our garlic. Now it's time for the heavy cream. And of course the main event, the jerk seasoning. Now while it's simmering, we're going to finish the sauce with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, parsley, and I like to add the red pepper flakes just for a little spice. Now we're going to add the pork chops back into the pan and let it, my favorite word, simmer. There you have it, guys. A really good, really tasty and simple recipe. I have the ingredients in the bio below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.